you. My name is Himani Bist. I am a teacher in Northlight Public School, Pithoragarh.
Hello, my name is Jagriti Bhandari. I am a teacher of Northlight Public School, Pithoragarh.
So today I would like to tell you something about our school. Today this is the PTM of our school and this is the last PTM of this year. And as you can see that we have decorated our school. And one more thing I would like to tell you that here you can see this is the list of students which participated in sports day. आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ टाइम पहले इसी चैनल से आपको वीडियोस दिखी होंगी regarding sports day. We celebrated sports day in our school and this is a list of the students which participated in that day. And one more thing I would like to tell you. As I told you that this is the PTM of our school and this is the last PTM of this year. And here you can see the list of toppers. One more thing I would like to tell you. As you know that Christmas is coming very soon. So we have decorated our school so beautifully as you can see. And here you can see a selfie point. This is for, you can know that this is for selfies. You can take selfies here. And one more thing, as you can see a Christmas tree here. This is for Christmas day. Now I request to Jagriti ma'am. Now Jagriti ma'am will tell you about celebration of Christmas, PTM and a lot of things.
Thank you, Himani ma'am, for telling about PTM. You tell us that it is the last PTM of this year. Now I want to tell you something about Christmas Day. So our school is going to celebrate Christmas Day in 23 December, which is tomorrow. So here is you can see decoration done by teachers for Christmas Day celebration, and there is excitement inside the teachers and students is so much for tomorrow because there is teachers and children will dress up like a Santa and we will do so much fun in school. There will be so many programs and celebration about Christmas Day. So you that Himani ma'am told us that this is a selfie point for Christmas Day, and now I will tell, so I can show you how we will going to take selfie this, because there are so many parents is coming in PTM and they can take in some enjoyment for selfie. They can take selfie with their children, and there is Christmas tree, and I can show you something about Christmas Day celebration, which is decoration is done by teachers and children. There is so many ribbons you can see and balloons, and there is another Christmas tree made by teachers. Now Himani ma'am will tell something.
Okay, as Jagriti ma'am told you that we have decorated our school so beautifully for PTM and Christmas also. So as she told you that we are celebrating tomorrow Christmas. So one more thing I would like to tell you that winter vacations are going soon. So we are celebrating Christmas Day tomorrow for our kids. And yes, one more thing which is very excited for you and for us also. There are so many teachers and children which will wear the dress of Christmas tomorrow and they will wear dress of Santa, and you can see many Santas in our school tomorrow. Okay ma'am?
So at last I am going to give some conclusion that please join us in YouTube channel, our Northlight Public School, the name of our channel. So please subscribe our channel and share it in your WhatsApp and Facebook, in which you can. Okay, at last I want to say that our school admission open is started. Please join our school, and if you have any problem regarding our school, you can come and watch here, and because your staff will tell you everything about it, and that your child is not your child, that is our child also. If you will give your child, you will do admission of your child, we will do our best. If you want to get bright your future in future, so please join us in 8th class.
You know that our school is in 8th class and now we are going to start 9th and 10th classes also, for which construction of buildings are going on, and after 2024 the classes of 9th and 10th will also start in our school. So give an opportunity to the school and the management. There are some limited seats for the admission and you can join our school. You're most welcome in our school.
There is going so long it's winter vacation. So I want to give you in advance Happy New Year. Now we will meet in February, and I hope that you will believe on us and please, and you will do some good efforts and you will educate your children. So thank you so much. Happy New Year, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all.
Thank you.